How do international courts rule on water laws? Have you ever wondered how international courts make decisions about water laws? It's a fascinating process that involves treaties, customary international law, and the principles of fair use of shared water resources. Let's break it down. International courts, like the International Court of Justice, play a key role in resolving disputes over water resources that cross national borders. They focus on clarifying the rights and responsibilities of countries sharing rivers, lakes, and aquifers. The goal is to encourage cooperation rather than impose strict rulings. At the heart of international water law are a few important principles. These include fair and reasonable use of water, ensuring no significant harm to other countries, notifying others about planned actions, and working together in managing shared resources. When conflicts arise, international courts look at relevant treaties and customary laws to see if a country has violated these principles. For instance, in the case of Nicaragua versus Costa Rica, the court took a strong stance on environmental protection, stating that harming the environment, including waterways, is taken seriously under international law. In another case, Chile and Bolivia had a dispute over the Salala River. The court did not make a binding decision because both nations preferred to seek a fair use agreement. This highlights how courts often encourage negotiation instead of strict rulings. The pulp mills case, where Argentina faced Uruguay, is another example. Here, the court addressed the need for prior notification and consultation before building facilities that might impact shared water quality. The court balanced the rights and responsibilities of both countries, showing a practical approach to water issues. In the Danube River case between Hungary and Slovakia, the court ruled that unilateral actions affecting shared water flows violated international law. It ordered both countries to restore cooperative management, demonstrating how courts enforce treaty commitments and prevent harm from one-sided actions. International courts also stress the importance of clear boundaries and cooperative frameworks. This was evident in the maritime dispute between Nicaragua and Colombia, which, while focused on maritime zones, reinforced principles that apply to freshwater boundaries as well. In summary, international courts rule on water laws by interpreting treaties and customary law. They apply principles of fair use and no significant harm, while promoting peaceful negotiation and cooperation. Their decisions set legal precedents that guide future cases, often avoiding rigid rulings. For effective water governance, these rulings highlight the need for countries sharing water resources to create clear agreements, maintain open communication, and manage water use sustainably. International courts serve as mediators when disputes cannot be settled diplomatically, but they often stress the importance of collaboration to ensure long-term water security.